Dear parents and our sweet lovely children, welcome to our today's class. You have already learned how to write 1 to 10 in our previous classes. So dear children, now come and repeat them in today's class. In order to practice writing 1 to 10 together, they should be written in 2 pages in this way. You have already learned how to write them. So here we have to write only one dot in each square. So you have to write in the space where that dot is. See here children, you should write in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Children, you should complete this page by saying this. After completing this page, children, come to repeat numbers 1 to 10 in a different way. See here children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, you should write it 5 times. Dear students, let us finish today's class. One more time requesting you, dear parents, you should prepare the book for your children in the way we have shown here, because it will be easy for children to write. Watch our videos and practice for your children. Thank you.